Struggling to grow your YouTube channel? I'm about to show you the exact, proven steps to reach your first 1,000 subscribers. Let's dive in. Welcome. I'm your guide today. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear roadmap to build a successful, sustainable YouTube channel. Your journey starts with a niche. It must be a topic you're passionate about, has an audience, and offers potential for monetization. Let's break that down. Use tools like YouTube Trends and Google Trends to identify rising topics. Look for a specific sub-niche to stand out from the competition. Next, optimize your channel. Your name, logo, and banner are your first impression. Make them professional, memorable, and clearly communicate your channel's value. Set a compelling channel trailer that hooks new visitors, and create playlists to keep them watching your content for longer. Content is king. Your videos need a strong intro to stop the scroll, deliver massive value in the middle, and end with a clear call to action. Invest in good audio and video quality. Consistency in both posting schedule and content style is key to building a loyal audience. YouTube is a search engine. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find high search, low competition keywords for your titles and descriptions. Optimize every part of your video's metadata. A compelling title and a detailed description will significantly boost your discoverability. Don't just upload and hope for the best. Promote your videos on social media and actively engage with your viewers in the comments. Build a community. To recap, choose a profitable niche, optimize your channel, create valuable content, master SEO, and actively promote and engage. This is your path to growth. If this guide was helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more breaking news and tips. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive even deeper. Until then, start implementing these steps and watch your channel grow.